Good evening, everyone. On behalf of RBC Royal Bank and myself, I would sincerely like to thank the Greater Vancouver Homebuyers Association for this opportunity to join you and speak with you this evening. On our brief agenda here this evening, we will cover off some advice topics that we believe at RBC should be part of every conversation that you have when you are thinking of buying a home, as well as a number of programs that we offer to both new and existing clients at RBC. Speaking of down payments and payment options, at RBC, we recommend that prior to beginning your search looking for a new home or perhaps another home, that you obtain a pre-approval. A pre-approval is going to help you to establish the amount of the mortgage that you'll actually qualify for, taking into account your current income and current debt obligations. Now, conventional or default insured mortgages are determined actually by the amount of down payment that you have available. So for most clients, if you do not have 20% of the purchase price as the down payment, the government is going to require that you pay a default insurance premium. So this premium, of course, can be added to your actual mortgage payment amount, so you'll not have to come up with that amount in cash. There's a number of options for your availability for down payment. For example, RSPs can be used for first-time home buyers towards your down payment, or other investment vehicles such as tax-free savings, or if you're so lucky to get a financial gift perhaps from a family member, that can as well be used towards your down payment. Another very important consideration is actually what type of interest term and payment schedule that you'd like to set up. And this decision in itself can save you thousands of dollars and years. And I'd encourage you to speak to one of our mortgage specialists that we actually have here out at our booth, at the Royal Bank booth, and they can provide you with some additional information and advice. On December the 11th, the Department of Finance introduced some changes to the rules for the minimum amount of down payments for default insured mortgages. And thereby, effective February the 15th of this year, the minimum amount for down payments for new insured mortgages increased from 5 to 10% for the portion of the purchase price under 500 or over 500,000, and the 5% minimum still remains for the purchase prices up to $500,000. So if you're in the market to purchase a rental property perhaps, RBC has programs and we have the experience to help you. For example, we can lend up to a maximum of 80% loan to value, and in the approval process, we will also take into consideration economic rents. As we've all heard, newcomers to Canada are coming to BC in great numbers. And at RBC over the last year, we have revamped our programs for newcomers to Canada. And by our definition, a newcomer to Canada is someone that is establishing their life in Canada and hasn't been here for more than 5 years. So we have a number of benefits of getting your mortgage at RBC that we have listed here. And in addition to that, I would also say that we can help you to set up your everyday banking needs at RBC. If you haven't done so already, we can introduce you to some partners. Now, approximately 10% of the clients may not qualify for a mortgage for a variety of reasons. It might be something to do with credit history, cash flow, the actual property, or the income verification. And at RBC, we work with a number of external third-party mortgage companies that we have on contract with us, and we will help you to provide the right financing solution to meet your needs. Our goal ultimately is to help you to get your mortgage at RBC, and when your circumstances change, we're going to work to move your mortgage over to RBC. For those of you interested in purchasing perhaps a newly built home, RBC offers the most comprehensive builder program to clients in the market. Now, we've highlighted a number of the benefits here up on the screen. The one that I would really like to highlight is the firm approval. So we will approve you upfront with your application, and while your home is being built, if perhaps there's some changes to your circumstance, you've got the peace of mind in knowing that you've got a firm approval waiting for you. So at RBC, we work with a number of builders here across Vancouver, across BC, and quite frankly, right across the country. And if you're interested in purchasing a newly built home, please come by and see us when we can help to get the process started. So in closing, once again, I would like to thank the Greater Vancouver Homebuyers Association and all of you for taking time out of your busy week to attend the session today. I would encourage you, come by, speak to one of our specialists, and let us see how we can help you. Thank you very much.